If you see your friend with your enemy, be sure that both of them are your enemies. One openly and the other secretly. A true friend will never side with those who wish harm upon you. They will stand by you in good times and bad, and never allow your enemies to get close. If you see them spending time with people who have hurt you, it's a sign that they don't value your friendship as much as you thought. The one who hides their betrayal is the most dangerous, because they wear the mask of loyalty, pretending to be on your side while working against you. It's painful to realize when a friend becomes an enemy, but the truth is clear once you open your eyes. Trust is built on actions, not words, and those who betray you in silence can hurt you the most. Guard your heart, for not everyone who smiles is your ally.